I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is updated and online. This avoids sync errors. Next, have your Samsung account credentials and any two-factor device ready because you may need a code. Now open Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, then choose Samsung Cloud or Samsung Account depending on your model. Doing these first steps quickly moves you into the sign-in flow. Once you've opened the correct screen, you're ready to enter credentials and proceed to authentication. Enter your Samsung account email or phone and password carefully. Avoid copy-paste mistakes and only use autofill on trusted devices. Once submitted, expect a two-factor prompt. Choose SMS, Authenticator app, or an alternate device and enter the code. This step proves it's you and restores full cloud access. After verification, allow the permissions Samsung requests for backups, sync, and optional location so your content and settings can be managed. Make sure each permission is thoughtfully accepted. After signing in, go to Samsung Cloud and confirm sync status and the last backup timestamp so you know what's available. If items don't show, tap Sync Now or Start Backup to force data transfer. This often resolves partial restores. If you still see errors, sign out, reboot the device, and sign back in. This refreshes tokens. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear connection issues. These troubleshooting steps cover the usual failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.